Sesi by Revin Amar Juliana, student in batch 1B2504000 Electrical Engineering Department, the Universitas Subang. The his presentation especially how a solar power system, how VLTS, what is main component, and this is how to electric energy production and is potential of reaching in residual are of Indonesia what is to sitting is a pretty you road. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Revin Omar Juliana and student of the Electrical Engineering Department at Universitas Subang. Today, I will present us the topic solar power system or PLTS for us solar energy in unpromising. Nini Osro. For Indonesia, do for Abasu sang let's today the year the stock the system operation main company the apa to energi loss to on residarsi. Adisiku terus to file test basis to host can floating about to as you plan sistem energi optional. Electrical name reset early about to of popularity ground and technology development with generation still trail of fossil fuel and coal and oil natural gas with our finish and floating renewable energy of the solar energy is among the best plus to clean Setio and to receive the as stuffing kondisi Indonesia. As receive potential for sonal developer is both R and U setting. Using the populator and technology driving electrical city of the every year. Fossil fuel issue. Limit use of volatility for coal, oil, and gas. Solar everything. Trophy can overtake award nothing either of LTS above C. The objects are clean and versatile. One, explain the working to each of a solar power system and VLTS. Two, indicate the main component of a solar power system. Three, energy adventure and perspective of solar energy. Four, acknowledging the electrical energy produced by solar panel. The goal will use the technical access to visual in the and cloud transmission. System review and main component. One, solar panel. Concern silent introduction of DC electric using masuk class. Two, child and cursor. Itu post to about the and the now. Baterai, strong energy for let us staying in everything Indonesia. For inter residential electrical for anything for panel west intro as electrical for house benefit. For electrical and law, the house and the field fine facing also the as far as by the inter system develop for panel solar panel the use of battery innovation hospital availability. Working is step by step. Panel on DC charger on a source. Store in battery. Inverse DC for AC. Supply AC ladies. 1. Solar panel sources energy in the electrical. 2. Regulator for regular electrical for auto battery. 3. Excess energy is switched battery from less O. 4. The same for well, or save our itu. Terus itu every house is energi rusia masuk slow. Energi recovery and data and collection. Berarti loss in energi produksi or for us the sana. 1,000 WF for house to 4 per day. Two Swiss 2,000 fee 5 hal 1 million for item per day. 300 WF for 5 hours 21 WF per day. For 20 with 5 hours to 24 hours per day. Energi per energi power X time. Maksudnya energi sumber half for itu half trip shows vanerus ini itu. Ada itu absolute power itu menurut baterai. Ada itu electricity law of pressure ada itu kos. Ada itu berusaha susu kompresen. Lebih, karena ada was wait gitu. Lagi nomor 5 VLTS for our host checking of as is for wait. Benar gitu. Dan si panel system itu dia high intelligent host panel itu si baterai and itu labor produksi and with and son liquid system instalasi safe over a guarding our baterai was initio apa situ. Yeah, within strategy, finally option into the system hybrid gear today system and close loss living for the total share. Pada bagian teknologi technological process, funnel ice baking or ice atau andawal tau inote. Two, policy and adaptive. Indonesia Nusantara is according apa dia tahu how level go. Ocean in fact, PLT Indonesia Energi Departemen Wisisa betul. National Solar Panel System harus itu energi solar for panel, sisi baterai and inverter. Electrical engineering production of panel, cycle assist, and do off running, fail test and research and the fall and the will and the localize. I mean, thank you for your I'll have the presence usaha about solar power system and the safe for house done and wishes. Thank you.